for change.
Code for change.
I 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 code for change. I code for change.
I code for change.
I code for change.
I code for change.
Code for change.
I think of code, there's nothing else that allows you to impact so many people at once.
If all the girls in Nepal know how to code, Nepal will be a better place for everyone. So girl, let's code.
If yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery. Yes, we code to achieve our victory. Yes, we code for change.
Fix the cause, not the symptom. Code for change.
Despite being young, girls like us can still pour our minds into canvas and paint a beautiful world of change.
It's really fun. The final product we have made are the combination of numbers and shapes. I feel so blessed that young people come together to code for change.
The level of mentorship that has been provided here has been something I have not seen in any other coding competition. Code for Change thus has been an inspirational event for lots of young programmers around Nepal.
Introverts in dark room, screaming in codes. Changing the world after every learning notes. Yes, we code for change.
It's been a great pleasure to make use of passion and intellect with young generation for the bright future of programming, all with fun and excitement.
I think the youth of today need to learn to speak and express their mind in future to come that can only achieve knowing how to code.
We believe in revolution. We mutate. We improvise. We code for change.
Craziest of all, but a beautiful mind, aspiring to change and solutions to find. We are the programmers of no other kind. So we code, we innovate, we change.
In this information age, technology has taken over everything. Its impact can be felt right from home to the high over space. And we all know that a single line of code can make a huge difference and can bring a huge change. So it is very important to teach young people of today how to code.